Here are some exercises that can help reduce belly fat. Crunches, classic abdominal exercise that targets the upper and lower abs. Plank, a full body exercise that engages your core and stabilizing muscles. Leg raises, lie on your back and lift your legs towards the ceiling, targeting lower abs. Bicycle crunches, engages both upper and lower abs while also working the obliques. Russian twists, sit on the floor and twist your torso to each side while holding a weight or medicine ball. Mountain climbers, a dynamic exercise that raises your heart rate and engages your core. High intensity interval training, HIIT, alternating between intense bursts of exercise and short rest periods. Cardio workouts, running, jogging, swimming, or cycling to burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Burpees, a full body exercise that combines a squat, push-up, and jump. Walking, a simple yet effective way to increase your daily activity level and burn calories. Remember, spot reduction, targeting fat loss in a specific area, is not very effective. A combination of these exercises along with a healthy diet will help reduce overall body fat, including belly fat. Always consult a professional before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.